The Annuity PVFV interactive calculator solves time value of money problems for annuities. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode drop-down with 6 options. Calculate present value, calculate future value, calculate payment amount, calculate interest rate, calculate number of periods, or calculate both PV and FV from payment. For this demo, I'm selecting Calculate Present Value. The annuity type dropdown offers ordinary annuity, where payments occur at the end of each period, or annuity due, where payments occur at the beginning. I'm using ordinary annuity. Next, enter your payment amount PMT, interest rate per period as a percentage, and number of periods EN. Here's our example. Payment amount equals $1,000, interest rate per period equals 5%, number of periods equals 10. After clicking Calculate, the present value shows $7,721.73. The total payments display $10,000. This means receiving 10 payments of $1,000 at 5% interest per period is equivalent to a lump sum of $7,721.73 today. This tool streamlines your annuity calculations for engineering economics. Find the link in the description below.